I'm so excited for this one, guys. So we've officially got the rollout of agents within Microsoft. So Microsoft Copilot now has the ability to build your own agent. So what does that actually mean? Let's take a look. So here we've got our agent store, and you can see here that those are built by Microsoft. So we've got researcher, analyst. Now we've got prompt coach, writing coach, idea coach, career coach, learning coach, and surveys. And also we can access Microsoft 365 admin from here. So let's take a look at building our own agent. So we could use some of these templates as I'm going to show you now. So we've got career coach, and that offers personalized career advice, goals and action plans, customer insight assistant, idea coach, interview question assistant, learning coach, meeting coach, prompt coach, quiz tutor, scrum assistant and writing coach. And if you just highlight above each one of these, it's going to tell you what it does. So we've got a writing coach here, and that's going to boost effectiveness and support refining writing. So I could use one of these, which is great. So let's go to the idea coach, for example. And this is going to provide me with some prompts. So brainstorming a topic, plain brainstorming session, etc., etc. So I could pick on some of these here, and what that's going to be able to do is assist me within my Microsoft ecosystem. Now, what I could do instead is build an agent myself. So let's just type into here, I need an agent to help me with onboarding new staff. So here we've got your agent is now set up to assist with onboarding new staff members. It will guide new hires through introductions, company policies, training, etc. So let's choose a name for your agent. Onboarding agent is fine. And there you go, it's changed that for me. Let's move on to refining what the onboarding agent will do. So yeah, I want it to provide a welcome pack to new starters about the company and an introduction to staff in the finance department. And let's just say I also want them to undertake a health and safety checklist as part of onboarding. There we go. So this onboarding agent has been updated to provide a digital welcome pack, introduce new staff and guide new hires through a health and safety checklist. Perfect. So next, adding knowledge sources is optional, so we could add URLs, etc. I'll just say I don't have any reference material. Can you create this for me based on UK law? Okay, nope, I'm happy with that, so I'm going to go ahead and create. So now, once this has been created, we're going to have an onboarding agent that's going to help us with onboarding checklists and answering onboarding questions, and it's just here. So we've also got a learning coach and a quiz tutor. So let's go to the onboarding agent and see what it can do. Please, we've got to be polite. Can you create an onboarding checklist for new staff? Perfect. So we've got an onboarding checklist just there. And I would, yeah, like that to be in a PDF. No, Loop would be better. Loop, please, because then if you create pages within Loop and workspaces specifically for specific tasks like HR and onboarding, for example, then you can always refer back to those Loop pages, and it's all stored in one place and everybody can review that if they've got access to that, of course. And I just prefer that rather than saving down PDFs, etc., because that's all interactive then and live. So there we go. Look at that. So I'm going to say, help me create this Loop page. There we go. So it's giving me a step-by-step guide on how to do that. And all I need to do is just copy that information in. So there you go, that's a very quick introduction to agents in Microsoft, and I'm going to spend so much time just going down a rabbit hole with this, I'm sure. Now, I hope you found the video useful. If you've got comments, then pop those in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to help you or guide you in the right direction. And otherwise, I will catch you at the next one.